Hello, children. I hope you must have done ammonia, back exercise, ICSE questions, everything. Do your work daily, it will not be a burden later on. I start with the next chapter, acids, bases, and salts. This is a very simple chapter. Just learn it on daily basis. Acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. I remember that in class 8th you have these naturally occurring acids. We will just recollect once. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Citric acid in citrus fruits like oranges, lemons. Butyric acid, rancid butter. Hydrochloric acid is present in gastric juice. In our stomach, some amount of hydrochloric acid is present. In the sting of bees, wasps, ants, there is presence of formic acid. Sour milk, lactic acid. Apples contain malic acid, olive oil, oleic acid, tomatoes, oxalic acid, fats, stearic acid, grapes, tamarind, tartaric acid, and urine contains uric acid. Mainly here you will remember vinegar, acetic acid. Formic acid, sting of bees, ants. Now, what is an acid? Acids are compounds which contain one or more hydrogen atoms, and when dissolved in water produce hydronium ion as the only positively charged ions. Here HCl with H2O gives me H plus Cl minus. Now this H plus with water will give me H3O plus hydronium ion. You have already studied 3 chapters related to acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. So again I repeat, this chapter is big, but it is very easy. Classification of acids. Depending upon the source, means from where do we get them, from where they are obtained. They are classified as organic acids and inorganic acids. Acids which are obtained from plants are called organic acids, and organic means they will contain carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. When we will study organic chemistry, I will tell you that study of carbon and its compounds is a branch of chemistry called organic chemistry. So remember, they contain carbon atom, and hydrogen is a must in these acids. Examples: oxalic acid, acetic acid, formic acid. They are weak acids. They do not ionize completely in solution. They show only partial ionization. So, they will contain ions as well as molecules. Inorganic acids. These are mineral acids which we have learnt. Again, I repeat. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. These are obtained from minerals and they will not contain carbon except carbonic acid present in the aerated drinks. It is an inorganic acid which contains carbon. This is a weak acid. Generally, all inorganic acids, all mineral acids are strong acids because they will ionize completely in aqueous solution and they will give high concentration of hydronium ions. So they will contain only ions. But carbonic acid is an exception. It is a weak mineral acid. Weak acid, so it has ions as well as molecules. Further, we have oxyacids and hydracids. Oxy means there is presence of oxygen along with hydrogen and some other element. HNO3, oxygen, hydrogen and another element. And you have H2SO4. Hydracids, they contain hydrogen and a non-metallic element. There is no oxygen. HCl, HBr. I will stop here, children. I have only done 1.5 page with you and I expect you to read it and learn it. Thank you.